I'm going to go over this mini electric chainsaw from the company Ecarke. Now, I've had several products from these guys before, and I have been very impressed with their offerings that they have, and they're all holding up very well. So let me just go over it. It's a brushless motor. It's a 10-inch cutting diameter. It's multi-safety protection. It has a little lift on it, tool-free maintenance. Now, it does have a 6-inch blade and an 8-inch blade. It does not come with a battery, but it accepts all DeWalt batteries, and I will show you that. But I think you can get it for other types of batteries also. Let me just show you everything you get with this. I'll open it up, but I have not used it yet. So let's just open it up. You know, decent little hard case there. There it is right there. There's a little set of instructions. Now this is the tool only. You can see right here, this is the 6-inch blade, and it has this lift on here, and it does have a cover. Here is the 8-inch blade that you can install on it if you want to. Inside this, so inside of here, you do get an extra chain, a set of little gloves. I think that's an actual file if you want to sharpen your chain. This is a little cleaning tool for cleaning up around. A little thing for oil if you want to put some oil in your blade, and some safety glasses. So you're all set. They give you pretty much everything that you need in here. Now let's go over the saw. So you can see the blade right here. It has the 6-inch blade on there. They do have a automatic oiler on this thing. So I will get some chain oil and put in there. I think I still have some chain oil left over. You're gonna mash the button there. It is basically left and right hand. Hold it down right there. Pretty easy to pull the trigger. If you wanna loosen the blade up or change it, you can tighten the blade or change the blade. You can do it right there. I'm not gonna take all that apart. Let me go ahead and add some oil to this thing, and let's see how this thing cuts, because I think you're gonna be impressed with it. If it's like any of their other tools, I've been very impressed. I'm running the DeWalt 5 amp hour 20-volt battery. Oh wow, that thing sounds powerful. Let me get some oil and put in it. Okay, so I went ahead and added some oil. You can see the oil's in there. You don't have to add much to this thing. What I did, I just kind of ran it for a little while. The oil's kind of cold today, so we're seeing how much I can get it out of there. Try to get the oil going. Wow, that thing sounds awesome. Now, I did add some nails to this, so I need to be careful not to hit the nails. This is a board that I got right here that I was testing out one of the Ecarke nailers on. Let's just see how... Oh, that was fast. That was real quick. Let's go into... Try not to go through the nailer. Wow, that thing works amazingly fast. That was quick. Now I went ahead and grabbed a bigger log right here. So we're gonna try it out on this log. There is some oil coming out of there. Now this is way bigger than what you would normally do with this. So let's try this one. Look how thick that is, everybody. But the chain should go through it. Okay, it is cutting it. Look how fast it cut through that, and that is a lot. Now I'm starting to wonder how much can I actually cut with this thing. And this is the 6-inch blade. That went through it very smooth. I don't see any issues with this thing at all. I don't want to dull my blade up with this too much, because I think this is a great option for anyone that just needs to have a small little trimming saw, whether it's for camping, making firewood, or just doing some kind of chores around the house. So you got a guard right here for your hand. You have a guard right here, and I don't see any issues with this thing at all, everybody. I think this is a great option for anyone that just needs a DeWalt style little mini chainsaw without the DeWalt style price that can kind of get the job done with the same functionality. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Ecarke, mini chainsaw. See you on the next video.